How to disassociate or reassociates the dimensions to objects in Autocad. Solution. This feature is controlled by DIMDISASSOCIATE and DIMREASSOCIATE commands. By default, the dimensions are associative to the objects, that is, when you move the objects the dimensions will be updated automatically. The DIMDISASSOCIATE command convert the associative dimension into non-associative, that is, when you the object the dimension will not be updated. The DIMREASSOCIATE command convert again non-associative dimensions into associative. So you can associate and disassociate the dimensions to objects easily by the help of these commands. See how it works. First we see on linear dimension. Draw a rectangle. Apply linear dimension on it. Now if you move the rectangle, then dimension will also be updated, as it is associative by default. Run DIMDISASSOCIATE command. And select the dimension. Press enter. Now stretch the rectangle. You can see now that the dimension is not updated. Run DIMREASSOCIATE command. Select the dimension. Press enter. Select the endpoints of rectangle. You can see that the dimension is now again reassociate with the rectangle. Now we see same procedure on radial dimension. Draw a circle. Apply radius dimension on it. Stretch the circle. You can see that dimension will also be updated. Run DIMDISASSOCIATE command. Select the dimension and press enter. Now stretch the circle. You can see now that the dimension is not updated. Run DIMREASSOCIATE command. Select the radial dimension and press enter. Select the circle. You can see that the dimension is now again reassociate with the circle.